The Mississippi River at Rock Island is nearing major flood stage this morning, which is 18 feet. News 8's Charles Hart is joining us in studio with some closures that may affect our morning commutes.
Yeah, good morning, David. So the Mississippi River at Rock Island is sitting at just over 17.5 feet this morning, and it's predicted to reach that major flood point at 18 feet this afternoon. Take a look at this video from yesterday, shot by our own content manager, Jenny Hipskind. As you can see, the water is taking over LeClaire Park in Davenport and is approaching the nearby railroad tracks and streets. I was down there on Friday where crews were building the levees from Iowa Street to Perry Street, and they were hard at work all day and a little bit into the weekend as well. And here's a video from 2019 where similar temporary flood walls broke, causing major flooding in downtown Davenport. Now here's a graphic made by our own meteorologist Andrew Stutsky showing where the river levels are expected to get to. As I mentioned before, the Mississippi River at Rock Island is sitting at just over 17.5 feet this morning. The river is expected to reach major flood stage, which is 18 feet later this afternoon around 1 o'clock. The National Weather Service told me it's supposed to crest as high as 23 feet, surpassing the record set in 2019, which was just over 22 feet. Now, according to the Iowa DOT, River Drive is closed from 4th Street by the YMCA, to Division Street. The city also plans on closing the river's edge tomorrow at 1 o'clock. David, back to you.
All right, Charles, thank you. Businesses downtown Davenport are stressing that even though those temporary flood walls are up, downtown is still open and they still need your support.